So if you're watching this video, you probably have a question about, do our filters work with your lens? So we wanted to make this quick video because it's one of the questions we get all the time. Do our filters work with other lenses, different size of lenses? Do you need an adapter? So we're gonna break that down very simply for you guys today, how you can tell if our filter will work with your lens or what you'll need for our filters to work with your lens. So first off, all of our lenses are 77 millimeter in diameter. So what that means is if you have a 77 millimeter diameter lens, which is the case for most lenses, then our filter will screw right onto the front of your lens. So for example, the lens that I'm using to film this video right now, it clearly states right on the front, 77 millimeter. So all I have to do is take this, screw it right on, and now it fits on our lens. I can move. This is the split diopter, by the way. Now, what happens if you don't have a 77 millimeter diameter lens? What do? So in that case, we make ring adapters or step up or step down rings. So for example, this Sigma Cine lens right here is 82 mils in diameter on the front. And again, if you can't tell or you don't know, most of the time on the front of the lens, it will literally say 77 millimeter, 69 millimeter, 72 millimeter, whatever the lens thread size of the lens is. And if it doesn't say, just Google your lens, look it up, and find out the information online. But there's always a spot on the lens where it should tell you. For example, on this lens, it's right here on the side, and it says filter diameter 82 millimeter. So obviously this filter being 77 and this lens being 82, it's not gonna fit on there. It's not gonna screw on to the front because this is too big. But again, we make a variety of lens filter adapters, step up or step down rings. This is 77 to 82 or 82 to 77, however you look at it. This just simply screws on to the front of the lens. Now that that's on there, we can screw our filter directly onto the lens. Now I can move and rotate, and now it's on there. So we make a variety of adapters. We have 82 to 77, 58 to 77, 72 to 77, 67 to 77. So if any of your lens diameters are 82 mil, 58 mil, 72 mil, 67 mil, we make adapters or step up, step down rings that'll allow you to screw your filters right onto your lens with these simple rings. So it's very, very simple. Just look for the information on the front of your lens or on the lens somewhere, and then pick up the adapter ring that works for you. Again, all of our filters are made in 77 millimeter diameter. So if you have a lens that has a different diameter, whether it's 58, 67, 72, 82, just pick up one of the rings so that you can screw our filters directly onto your lens. Hopefully that answers your question. It's the question that we get probably the majority of the time. How can I use your filters? I don't have 77 millimeter diameter lens, etc. So we wanted to make this video just kind of easily break it down for you guys. So hopefully this helps, and keep on creating.